In this video, I will tell you that how to remove blackheads from face and nose at home naturally in one day with baking soda and toothpaste. Blackheads are tiny dark bumps caused by scratched hair follicles. They may appear on your nose, chin, chest, back and shoulders. To get rid of blackheads, it is important to understand why and how they are formed. There are millions of hair follicles on your body, including your face. Each follicle contains a hair strand and sebaceous glands. When the skin sheds dead skin cells, they get collected in the follicle and form a bump called a comedone. If the bump remains closed, it is called a whitehead. But if the skin around the bump opens and allow air to get in, blackheads are formed. Don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to remove blackheads from face and nose. To make this remedy, first thing you will need is toothpaste. Toothpaste is often cited as a homemade treatment for your skin that can help counter blackheads. The consensus among dermatologists is that toothpaste is not an effective way to treat your skin and can in fact damage your skin. The toothpaste can be an irritant that causes redness and peeling. Just add a little amount of toothpaste. The next thing is baking soda. Baking soda can be used as a physical exfoliant to scrub your skin and unclog the pores that are causing blackheads. Baking soda helps to neutralize and pH imbalance your skin may have, as well as work as an exfoliant to remove dirt, oil and dead skin cells. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next thing you will need is lemon juice. Lemon is rich in vitamin C or ascorbic acid that exhibits moisturizing properties. This moisturizing effect can eliminate dead and dry skin and prevent clogging of the pores on your skin, thereby getting rid of blackheads. It also increases collagen synthesis that helps tighten pores. Now add half lemon juice to the bowl. The last thing is sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder is prized in Ayurveda as an excellent beauty ingredient that is natural, reliable and effective. Sandalwood powder causes coagulation of skin proteins, further protecting your skin from any breakouts, allergies or abrasions. It brings about minor contractions in your soft tissues of the skin and tightens your pores. Just add half tablespoon sandalwood powder to it. Mix all the ingredients very well. Apply this paste to the affected area and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Comments below and tell me what you think about this video. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much.